Auntie Omi, you gotta go sit over here between your brothers. I'm filming them.
They're filming the memories.
We have nothing to say about my sisters. They
Oh,
might have a lot to say about us, but
no, we cannot cover up.
Okay, what kind of refrigerator did you guys have? Electric?
yeah, we have electric.
Yeah, but I remember when we was really young, I remember seeing the old type of refrigerator in our house. It had, I can even remember the latch to open it. It was just glass. It was wooden frame glass, and they would put a block of ice inside here and put the food inside here. I remember seeing that in the house, but he's right. At our time, already had a smart electric refrigerator in the house.
Okay, so on the 7th-day Adventist, who went came and cooked at our house?
Huh?
You know when Mom just came 7th-day Adventist? Who came and cooked at the house?
Mrs. Anderson.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Wait, your neighbors was only that family? You never have any other neighbors?
Had more, babe.
But it was Duwats.
Duwat, yeah, and on the other side was this old Japanese family. What was the name? Ikanda.
Ikanda, yeah. What's the corner house?
On the corner house.
Oh, Omi. Remember Ikanda's dog would chase you or what? Yeah.
Both of us got bite from that dog, the German Shepherd.
He wouldn't bite me, he goes.
I'm scared of you.
Yeah, that's right.
He ran faster.
But he had a big German Shepherd.
Big German Shepherd. Yeah.
And right there where the kind live, Lono. That's where the house was.
Yeah, right. And Mr. Ikanda was a really strong old man.
Yeah.
Mr. Ikanda, he could pick up the 55-gallon drum full and move them. Pick the 55-gallon drum, turn and move the drum.
Japanese
Strong
man.
old Japanese man. Yeah. He was a farmer. He farmed right at the corner.
Yeah, right.
You know where we turn, come inside Grandma's house, right on that corner, on the turn. All that land was his. That's what about? What, you think a little bit more than quarter acre?
Yeah, no more quarter acre.
Yeah,
all the way to was the upholstery. Yeah, with the kind, yeah.
Yeah, right by the uphold.
Yeah, no more quarter acre.
But he grew.
Yeah.
He farmed right over there, and he grew string beans, and I remember him growing string beans.
And you know, Kepler just died.
Yeah. But anyway, that was our neighbors. You know, Ikanda, Mr. Ikanda in the front, and then Zablan and Duat on the other side, and Kerikani.
Remember that hated mango tree?
Coreen's memories is in mango.
No, it was hated over there where kind of Apo used to live. And had a hated mango tree with the orange, the lemon. Oh, yeah.
I think, yeah, you're right.
I used to go there and I used to say, don't pick that mango. And that's the wrong thing to tell me. That's why I went to pick the mango.
I remember.
And had the big tree in that place too.
I remember.
Yeah.
Okay, now Coreen, ask